everyone, this is Nobuko. So I'd like to start to the Nobuko's kitchen. So this week I'd like to introduce to the egg menu. So today the menu is a French toast. So I'd like to introduce to the what is a French toast. French toast with this is a toast with the dip to the egg and the milk and the sugars. So today is we arrangement for the special topping, strawberry and ice cream. So let's enjoy. Here we go. So today is the menu is a French toast. So I would like to introduce to the what is the item. First item is of course the bread. And the next item is milk, egg, butter, sugar, and this is if you like it. Today is a maple syrup, strawberry jelly, and ice cream. Ice cream is one of the chef recommend item also. So let's enjoy to the start of cooking. First item is egg. Today I used 2 eggs. So mix. Okay, next item is a sugar. Okay, so last item is milk. Okay, so I put into this sauce in here. So next, I take this one, just push. Please keep to the just while. After that, second one is please inside here. And sometimes change the way. And please push this one. So after that, this item is keep to the 30 minutes inside to the refrigerator. Later, I will bake it. This item is dipped to the sauce with a plate. So hot, become hot. And what is the butter? I put on to this one first. Few minutes. So when that time, don't push to the bread.